Platinum against US dollar. This week has lost its value, and we can see the week has started with this bearish candle going below the support level, reaching the next support level 937.55, then returning back up, reaching the previous support level, acting as a resistance 962, and then slightly going even more down. On a Thursday, the price formed again bearish breakout, and on a Friday, the price continued to fall down, but it has returned all the way to this previous acting as a support, now acting as a resistance 937.55 price level. Weekly time frame shows me that currently this is another bearish candle formed on the chart after the previous 2 weeks has been completely bearish. The price stopped right here at 937.55 as support level, which is a very important information. Monthly time frame currently shows me also a bearish candle like in the previous month, and the price continued to fall down, and it has reached a very important support level, at least on the monthly time frame. We can see that the price has reached 925.74 and this one here 933.47, an area around this one here. So in order for the price, we have one more week until this month close, so we'll see what happens, but very important information for the price on the monthly time frame. If the price goes below this one here, which is 926.70, this will indicate further decline, and it will reach 891.55. We can see that very important level is this one, 937.55, and before the price goes even more down and reaches this price level here. Now the daily shows me currently a bearish breakout with the bullish candle returned all the way back up. This could also be some kind of indecision between the buyers and the sellers, but for now I am waiting for the price to make a move below this one, 937.55, which will be another bearish breakout like in this try, which will indicate further decline in price, and it will reach around this area. First of all, 911.78, which is the next support level on the daily time frame. Now, to cancel this one, the price needs to go above 962.00 in order to continue to rise in value, trying to make indecision range area like in this area here. But for now, I am more inclined to see the price below, because these candles on the monthly time frame and the weekly time frame shows me much more bearish strength than the bullish demand zone, which is a support right here. We'll see what happens on the daily time frame and on a Monday and a Tuesday. If the breakout happens, the next target is here or above that. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.